So we're going to try and build confidence here with this education. And the biggest confidence builder is a plan. Having a plan before you enter the trade, it eliminates the unknown, and that's where the emotion of fear comes in. If you enter a trade and it doesn't go in your direction and it starts going down, the number one thing that happens is people freeze up. It's a debilitating experience, and people don't know what to do. And all the while they're trying to figure out what to do, the stock keeps dropping and they keep losing money. And then they start to rationalize in their head, well, it's got to go up soon. We've got earnings coming out in a month. It'll go up then. And all the while, more and more losses. But if you have your plan in place, you have your stop loss in place, if the trade is not going in your direction, you're going to get stopped out. You move on to the next trade and no harm done. So the plan is what we're going to be going over here next, and that is such a key aspect. You need to have the plan established before any trade is ever placed, and that eliminates the unknown and eliminates the fear. You're going to know the profit potential, the maximum amount you can lose, and that's going to be a very key way to keep those losses small and to let those winners ride. So I refer to it as the deer in the headlights effect. I've had it plenty of times as well, and I want to point that out, that most of everything that I'm talking about in this lesson are all things that I've experienced. I've been through the highest highs and the lowest lows. I've made plenty of mistakes. I've worked on those mistakes and gotten better, and the plan and the stop loss is what I can attribute to the biggest factor of my personal success. So we want to avoid that deer in the headlights look. We're going to do it with education and experience, and we're going to take a quick look now at that paper trading platform, tradingview.com.